Hello everyone, welcome back to another Among Us video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you all the features that have come in this new update. So the first thing is new buttons. As you can see, the text on the buttons have changed. So that is the first feature. Let's move on to the second feature. For that we'll have to go to free play on the scaled map. So guys, I've spawned in, and the second feature, which is the main feature, is a brand new task which is called as clean vent. Navigation clean vent. Let's go to navigation and clean the vents. So this new task is really cool. 3 pizzas and 1 needle inside the vent. So if you start cleaning the vent when the imposter is inside the vent, the imposter will pop out and you can find out who the imposter is. And also the admin upload data task, the upload thingy has become a bit big. And let's move on to the next feature, which is in the meeting screen. So as you can see, it's the emergency meeting text has changed, and it also says no dead bodies found. And also if a person has voted, it shows a thumbs up, so that is really cool. So I've voted. And guys, the next feature is that the buttons have changed. The report button and the use button, the text has changed in them, so that looks really cool. And then let's join an online game to show you more features. So guys, the next feature is that the shoe, in the start it says shoe, right? So that crewmate has become a bit fat. So let me show you guys. Take a look at this. So that's the new thing. And when you spawn in a room, it shows the joining animation. Take a look at that, guys. So that's the new bug, I would say, or maybe a new feature. I'm not sure, but yeah. Now let me call an emergency meeting to show you guys more stuff. Those guys will get really annoyed of me. But anyways, so in the chat, if you type something, it shows your full crewmate. It shows what hat you're wearing and what skin you're wearing. So guys, let's move on to the next feature, which is the clouds moving in the right direction in the airship map. So before, the clouds used to move from right to left, but now they move from left to right. The airship is moving forward, not backward. So yeah, that bug has been fixed, which is really good. But I've also found another bug. If you go near the admin table of airship map, the use button disappears. So that bug needs to be fixed. So guys, if you have noticed that the sabotage siren has changed a lot. It's changed a lot actually, guys. It sounds cool, but it's kind of awkward actually. So guys, that's all for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Like if you did, and I'll see you on the next one. But before that, if I've missed anything, comment down below, and also subscribe to my channel. Until then, bye.